Hello again, we're back again with another tune-up report on an RCI-2995DXHP, this time for tow motor in Tennessee. This is brought to you by Truck CB Sales and Budweiser. Budweiser reached out to me, said that you'd been a good little operator this year and Santa Claus was going to bring you this present. So here we go, tow motor. We're going to get you fixed up. Apparently you've been a good operator to get something like this. 100-watt slug. There's 5 all the way down. Roll it up. 58, so not quite the 60. Average power swing. 100-watt slug in the corner. 250-watt slug in average. Hello, 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 hello. 125, 130 bird. 250-watt slug in peak. Hello. 250 watts. All right, my friend tow motor. Can't wait to hear you on this thing across the border. From your friend Truck and Budweiser at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.